Yes, gang, it's right. That's right. It's Poppy's other workshop. Hey, gang, Poppy here in the computer room. It's March 6th, 2023. Do you see this stuff on the ground? It's called snow. Snow at this elevation in California is rare this time of year. Uh, so, since we're at 1,300 feet, the snow level got down below that. I wouldn't be surprised if the Bay Area got some. And they're going back and forth between complaining about the snow and someone playing in it. So, so, you see that? Uh, I needed something to record today, and this made it easy. I'm going to be talking later. Going to be talking later about things like old TV shows and stuff like that. Anyway, good night from California. Try and stay warm.